Yo, what it do, YouTube fam? It's your boy Mugatti, back with another video. Man, today we got an early start. This morning. We got out, washed the truck, did a headlight replacement in a 2017 Nissan Maxima. I had my uncle funeral to attend. My uncle, we call him Little Bro, William Washington Jr. Long live Uncle Little Bro. You know that situation. I can holler at y'all. We can talk. We family. Unc was overweight for a long time, and he kind of went down on his health. Diabetes running our family on my mom's side. So he was overweight, and it got the best of him. He put up a fight for a long time, but one thing led to another. So that whole situation kind of, wake up call, make you want to eat healthier, work out a little more, get a little more active, get in better shape. So, that's a focus of mine, seeing how he was battling, the things he was battling. So, most definitely gonna eat healthier and, work out more. So, long live Uncle Little Bro. He resting now. So I got a couple boxes I kind of been putting off. I've been had it for a while actually. And I've been slick neglecting the box Chevy bill. I say neglecting because I've been doing body work in the shop, and of course y'all know the frame in the shop, and I ain't been having it covered up, so it's been getting dusty. It's a frame that I can clean it up, wash it out, but you still want to kind of protect it at the same time. You don't want to get it all kicked up full of dust or whatever. And in some cases, it could, mess something up, But I got a couple boxes. I'm gonna let y'all unbox with me, and we're gonna go through it and see how it look. Couple pieces for 400. We finna crank back up, get back on the bill, because that's kind of my therapy, outside of my family, spending time with the family, working on that box Chevy, bring me peace. It's my little thing, that's what I like to do. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Everybody needs something that they into, and this is an expensive, I would say expensive hobby, but it's what I like to do. Even if I ain't really spending no money on it, just being out here, just doing a little stuff to it myself, bring me a little peace. So I'm gonna get this out the truck because this box kind of heavy. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get it set down. All right, so that's what I was talking about. Just been sitting here. Of course, we doing body work. Man, we getting it dusty. I ain't had it covered up. So I'm like, man, it's a frame. It ain't gonna really hurt nothing. Which you probably won't. But, why not cover it up? Especially, stuff like this. This gonna be seen, like, when you pop the hood, like, man, I got this caked in dirt. All this stuff brand new. Like, man, I gotta do better. So, today, we're gonna get this stuff outside, get it washed up. And that's what's in one of the boxes. We're gonna get it, I got some plastic covers. We're gonna cover it up. Look at this. I'm gonna put that much time and effort into painting this stuff, and for it to sit up and let it get dusty like that, I need to kick my own ass. But that's done. What's done is done. We gotta do what we gotta do to correct it now. So that's what we about to do. Shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna wheel this sucker out. I think I just gotta move this dirt bike right here. I'm gonna wheel this sucker out, and then we're gonna cut it back on when I start washing. dust was getting thick on there. So we finna get it cleaned up. That and that other fender liner. See, I bagged one up, didn't even do the other. I didn't cover it up because I was still working on getting this battery tray mounted, but we're gonna pull it out and go ahead and wash it up and probably get the battery tray mounted so we can go ahead and bag that sucker up, man. Ain't no sense of having to redo it by sitting out getting scratched up, or the dust could possibly do something to the paint. So we're gonna go ahead and get that sucker bagged up. I gotta do better, take better care of my own stuff. That's something I'm working on. Nobody perfect, right? So that's my goal. Take better care of my belongings. That dirt out there pretty blue. What y'all think about that color combo? It's gonna smack. Still got some more things up my sleeve. Some more things up my sleeve for the frame. Bad, they need a good rinsing out. That'd be different if I was painting in there. Then you have overspray on it, and that'll be a different monster. That overspray get on there with that dust, and we got problem. But this here this dust from the paint. I'm gonna have to put some soap and water on them joint right there. Put a little soap and water on that fender, on the fender. Is she clean up now? Let's see what I did with the meat. I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. I just soaked it down right quick. I thought I had the camera on, but I didn't. I ain't do nothing, just heat it with a little soap. Make sure we got it good and clean. Now some of that dust will be sticking on there. Just rinsing it ain't gonna get it. Gotta put some soap and water on there sometime. But I think we got it now. Of course, we gotta dry it off. Cause now, there ain't no scratches now. Got a vision, that color combo gonna be something serious. I gotta stay tuned, stay with me to find out now. Ain't she pretty? Oh yeah. Oh no. Don't go nowhere, goddamn. I painted twice already because of the some of the color change. Well, the paint I had mixed before was kind of lighter or something. It was lighter, I think. And no, it was darker. It was darker. It was like almost black. And this color was a little lighter. It showed more of the blue, more of the true color. So I ended up getting a lot of that mix, enough to do the whole car. So I won't be goddamn two-tone around here. So I'm gonna continue to dry this, most of it off anyway. All of what I can. I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get done. Alright, so we got the frame dried off. We're gonna let it drip dry a little bit more, but I'm anxious. My bag so said I'm thirsty to see this radiator. Yeah, I've been had it for like a week. Yeah, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty to get up in here, see what's going on. Another piece of the puzzle. Let me set y'all down. So yeah, gotta pay to play. What come with it? I found myself doing a lot of research on them before I bought. Hopefully I got the right one. Is it? So I think it's the three row radiator. Supposed to have oil and I think transmission cooler. Oil or transmission cooler. One of the two. I have to look back at the specs of it, but yep. That's what I got in that box. I'm gonna have to move the camera and set it on the other box. So I get a look close up. Dual fans. Came with the fan shroud. I already bolted up everything. I already bolted tight. Back side of it. Radiator cap. And we may just do some custom with that. I don't know. Gotta stay tuned. But before my battery die right quick. Alright, my camera died, so I'm gonna have to run y'all through this right quick, cause I just charged it up enough to try to get through this video. I got these plastic car covers. I think it's supposed to be 3 of them. 3 or 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 of them. So that's what we're gonna cover the frame up with, and we're gonna put one over the car. I'm gonna take probably a bucket of water in there and do the engine bay, because I don't think the water hose will reach, and I don't want to put that much water in there. So I'm probably just gonna take a bucket of water and wipe it down up in the engine bay, so we can cover that up. But that's all I want to show y'all right quick, man. Just, you know, quick video, show y'all that we still doing what we do at our own pace. And that's the move. We buying a piece at a time. We ain't gonna get ahead of ourselves, cause you know like I said in other video, you know, real life stuff going on. You know, stuff come up all the time, so we gotta be mindful of what we spending. And I actually seen I was looking at the upper control the QA1 joints. You know, I was gonna order those for I think they were like $600. You know, buy those piece at a time. And man, I BS y'all not. As soon as the night I was looking at them, the next day, my 75-inch TV went out. Now, my girl bought the last one. The one I bought when I first moved in my house, it lasts like 4 years. I forgot what brand it was. But the one she bought, it didn't last but a year. Like, it come on, everything fine. It still play music, like it'll show a picture. But when you try to play a movie or a video, it's like black and you see like red and white lines in it. So I still got the TV in the house because I'm scared to throw it away. Hoping that you know, maybe it ain't really messed up as bad as I think, but I end up buying another TV anyway. That was $500. So that type of stuff, you know, set me back. I couldn't get my QA1. I mean, I still could have got them, but you know, I took that money I was finna spend on the QA1 and replaced the TV. So you know, stuff like that you can't account for. So I'm just happy and blessed that I had the money to get the TV. So we're gonna stack up, we're gonna grind some more, and we're gonna you know, save up, and we're gonna get them QA1 though. But I will tell you this. I seen Shauna P, I think that's her name, the female that built in the box Chevy. She actually got the factory upper control on, and she painted hers color match, and that joint look good. Man, my cousin asked me would I do that, and I ain't gonna lie, I would. Like, I really would do that. It look good, but you know, the lane I'm going, and it's my own lane. You know, just something I want to do, how I want to do it. I want to go QA1. I want to, you know, I want to step. You know what I'm saying? I'm stepping with the big dog, at least in my area. So QA1 it is, and you know, we gonna take our time and we gonna get there. So, but that factory control color match, it don't look bad at all. It don't. If I couldn't afford the QA1, I most definitely would do that. A lot cheaper. And you can go to the local parts store, pick them joints up, paint them up right quick, and be done with it. But me, man, I done went this far, frame off. Come on, man. I gotta put that QA1 suspension on there. You know, not for nobody else, for me. Cause that's how I want to do it. So, build your ride. Said it before, I say it again. Build your ride to your liking for you. Alright, so we're gonna wrap this video up right quick. Cause I think my camera about to die again. I don't know what's going on. It just needs to be fully charged. But speed it up right quick. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Join the family. Don't forget to smash that like button if you're enjoying the content. Drop a comment, deuces, 100, whatever. You know, let's run it up. We out.